Let's see how to download the Grozziie app and connect it with the eFace attendance machine. You can download the app easily by scanning the QR code on the front of the machine for both Android and iOS. You can also download it directly from the App Store, Play Store, or from our official website. Open the Grozziie app and log in with your email and password. If you don't have an account, simply create one by entering your username, email, and creating a password with at least 8 characters, including uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters. Then create your account. Now you're ready to use the app. You can change your preferred language anytime from the profile icon under Switch Language. Let's connect the eFace attendance machine. Make sure the machine is powered on. Turn on Bluetooth and location on your phone. From the Grozziie app main menu, tap Face Recognition to begin the pairing process. You will see 2 options, Admin and Employee. The Admin option is for setting up and managing the face recognition attendance machine. Company management or authorized personnel should choose this option. The Employee option is for daily attendance using the device. Employees will connect through this option. Let's connect as admin. On the next screen, you will see 2 connection options, QR scan and search. If you choose search, the app will display nearby Bluetooth devices. Find your eFace device in the list and tap Connect. If you choose QR scan, simply scan the QR code on the attendance machine. After connecting by QR scan or manual search, the password setup screen will appear. Enter a 6-digit numerical password, re-enter it to confirm, and tap Save Password to complete the setup. Once the admin is connected, the first step is to add employees to the system. After adding an employee, the admin must generate a unique QR code for that employee from the Employee QR code menu. Employees will use this QR code to link their mobile app with the face recognition attendance device. We will explain how to add employees in the next video. Now let's see the employee connection steps. If you are an employee connecting to the device, open the Grozziie app on any employee's mobile phone, create an account, and connect as an employee by scanning the QR code provided by the admin. That is it. The employee can now give their daily attendance through the app.